We always hear these things that if you could go back and meet your younger self, what would you say? I tell her that one day you are going to do things nobody in your family has ever done, and you're going to be so proud of you. The way that you see yourself will definitely change, and you will realize that the best thing about you is gonna be you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tanya Talks. So today's video is sort of gift to myself because today is my birthday. I remember that growing up I was not very proud of myself. I was always conscious about my looks, my body. People would point out that you're so dark, you're so lean, as if it was my fault. I was continuously being compared, and I used to compare myself also constantly. I really didn't know that one day none of that would matter. Over time, I realized that beauty isn't about weight or skin tone. It's all about confidence. It's all about doing the things that's making you proud. And today, I have become a person that embraces herself completely. I am proud of the way I look. I am proud of the way I am. I'm proud of the things that I do. I like the happy version of myself. I like the happy me. Every small decision was actually a step towards becoming the woman I always wanted to be. And then came the moment when I was so happy that I was the first one to travel abroad, and that too just for fun, for a girl's trip on my own. My trip, my rules, my experiences, so proud. Walking through the streets of a new country, I actually realized that the world is huge and I am not made for certain things which used to trouble me in my childhood. Not just in terms of profession or anything else, but I am actually proud of the person also I have become, and the way I have evolved as a person during these years. There is no denial that I've been so blessed with so many people around me, be it family, be it friends. I have always been very grateful for the kind of people I have. They have always pampered me. They have always done things which are really important to me. So definitely I'm super lucky that way as well.
Hi neighbor. It's been like really small time since we both know each other, but the bond that we share is, I love it. And I'm wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hey beautiful, happy birthday. So it's been 7 years almost that we are together, and I'm so lucky and so grateful that you are my best friend.
Hi Tanya, my love, my baby, my puchu, my lendu, many happy returns of the day. You have no idea how much I miss you, and I wish you were here right now with me.
A lot of times what happens is that we are expecting a lot of things from certain people, and they are not able to reciprocate in a way that you want them to reciprocate in, right? And that makes you feel so bad, and you feel that everything's worthless, and nothing's going good, and everything is ruined, and blah. But during that phase, you forget that there are so many things you should be really happy about. There are so many things you should be grateful about, okay? So today when I turned 28, if I look back, there are so many things which I always wanted to do, which I always wanted to achieve, and today I really have those things. Of course, there are bigger ambitions now. There are way more things which I want to achieve, but at the same time there is no denial that I also have achieved certain things which I wanted to earlier. So I am super happy about that. I'm very proud of myself, and not just in terms of profession or anything else, but I am actually proud of the person also I have become, and the way I have evolved as a person during these years. There are a lot of things, there are a lot of mistakes that I've done, but I have learned a lot of amazing lessons, and I keep following those. Like one of the lesson is that I never repeat the same mistake. I mean, of course, like we are humans, we keep making mistakes, but it's always necessary to not repeat the same mistake. Otherwise, it looks like you haven't really learned anything, right? Then something which I firmly believe in, that you should always behave in a way that you would want the other person to behave with you. It makes such a huge impact on your life that if you have started behaving in a certain manner with everyone that you expect them to behave with you, it just changes the entire perspective. I have learned the importance of honesty. Oh my god, it's such a basic thing, but it makes your life so smooth, so uncomplicated, and so amazing that you just have to be honest with everything. Also, I have learned that just because there are certain people with whom you wanted a certain kind of thing but it did not happen, so you don't have to lose the original essence of yourself. For example, with me, it happens a lot that I always feel that I'm very expressive, and I sometimes get super emotional and overdo a lot of things. But obviously it's not possible to get the same kind of reciprocation, or at least getting the appreciation for the efforts you have put in, or anything like that. So I always used to tell myself, okay, now this is not the way I'm gonna behave, or this is not something that I'm gonna treat other people with. But then I realized that this is what makes me. Like, I do not double think before expressing if something is good. I don't calculate the things before doing anything for the people whom I care for. I never try to make a barter that if I'm gonna do this, the other person should be doing this to me. So this is what makes me. If I am little emotional, so I actually don't want to be that practical. I don't want to be that calculative. I do not want to be someone which I wouldn't like, right? So yeah, there have been a lot of things which I have learned, and I have also learned the biggest lesson that yes, it's not just a saying, but actually whatever happens, it's always for the good. Yes, when it's happening, it's the most difficult thing, and we feel that it's never gonna pass, and everything is ruined, everything is just messed up, and we'll never be getting over it. But later on, you actually realize that it was such a blessing that whatever happened, right? So I hope to be this positive and this happy also, touch wood, because I really like and appreciate this version of me. And at the same time, even though if I'm getting hurt by someone, if I'm getting angry, if certain friendships or relationships that don't work out, even if I wanted them to work out, I've also learned that I will never ever say bad things about them. I will never pray that anything bad should happen, or even in anger I try my best that I shouldn't say things that just go up in the universe, because I truly believe that if you have ever spent really good time with someone, it could be family, maybe cousins also, or even with your partner at that time. So if you have spent a really good time with someone, and at that particular time they were of a certain importance to you, so just because things aren't now aligned with them, it doesn't mean that you have to hate them, or you have to be really cursy about them. It's not necessary. It's gonna drain you only. In fact, it makes you happier when you just hold yourself, and you don't have any grudges or negativity towards anyone that you're not aligned with. You just have to maybe step back and walk off, but it's not necessary to hold any grudge or anything. So yeah, and all these things, it hasn't come in a month or a year or whatsoever. When I turned 28 today, I think about these things, and I'm very happy how all these years have been till now. I have learned so many things. I have enjoyed like anything. I have actually done everything which makes me happy, and I keep doing it despite of the fact that whether I was living in a small space, now I have a bigger space, whether my salary was really less initially, now I'm doing much better. But at the same time, it never stopped me from having fun. It never stopped me from still doing things for the people who are very close to me. It never stopped me from staying happy. It never stopped me from staying kind. And so I have come this way, and I'm really happy about it. And this is a gift to myself only. As I said initially, I am slightly self-obsessed, and I don't think there's any harm, because until and unless your deeds, your traits are not hurting or affecting anybody else, it's all good. It's all fab. So yeah, that was it for today's video, and it was just a happy birthday gift to myself. But if you liked this video, then do not forget to like it. Also, you can wish me in the comments. I love attention, no worries with that. And I hope that I keep coming up with the videos on my channel. I know that I'm putting this video after quite a long time, because as I said, I wasn't really doing that great. But it's my birthday. I am very happy, and I hope that better things keep on happening with me, with you, with everyone. So thank you so much for watching the video if you did, and you can definitely subscribe to the channel if you like such content on your feed. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to me again. Bye bye. Thanks.